I want to introduce you to SEASEND Airdrop. SEASEND Airdrop. That is what I'm introducing you to in this video. This SEASEND Airdrop can be played on Telegram, and it also has the SEASEND Airdrop app. Personally, I am playing the SEASEND using the app which I downloaded from Play Store. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can navigate the SEASEND, how to register, and many more. Now, let me let you know that this SEASEND is one of the Eyes Open Network projects. Eyes Open Network project. If you want to know about the Eyes Open Network projects, Dr. X is one of them. Dr. X just completed the earning and the playing of the game and the mining about 2 to 3 days ago. So SEASEND is another one similar to Dr. X. They belong to the Eyes Open network of crypto airdrops. Now, if you go to the description section of this video or you go to the comment section, I've left the link by which you can join the SEASEND. So when you join through my link, it's going to lead you. Then along the way, it's going to ask you for your referral's name or thereabout. So my name on SEASEND airdrop is Davisco100. David in small letter, then SCO, Davisco 100, 100. Now, when you log on to SEASEND, there are a lot of tasks that you can do. There is a mining rate, your current balance is going to show. The mining rate also is going to show. Now, you have the overview. The overview is going to show your level, and then it's also going to show the number of referrals you have, and then it's going to show the adoption, that is the date you started, and then every other thing will be mentioned in that. Then if you want to invite friend, still on the home page, you can click on the link to invite friend. You can copy the link, and then you can also share the link directly. Now the roadmap is shown, the white paper. This SEASEND is going to list in about a month or 2 or 3. So you are here at the right time. Now, on this SEASEND, after you have left the home page, you click the next one just below the home page, which is showing the dollar sign. It's like a shape of a bag with dollar written on it. So in total, I can see 35 tasks that you need to do. And some of the tasks that you need to do is to join some other crypto games that is affiliated to this SEASEND I'm talking about. And most of these games or airdrops are in the Eyes Open network. So you can go ahead and click them and join them, and you can use this same my referral Davisco 100 DAVID SCO 100 100 for all those other ones also. So you can use my referral link on them when you are being asked. Then you can also, you need to claim something, subscribe on YouTube, follow them on Twitter. All these are part of the 35 tasks you need to do. Apart from these, just take your time and do them one after the other. Then the ones that you cannot do, you leave them. Like there are some that are pending. There's one that says invite 5 friends. So if you have not invited 5 friends, leave it as it is. Complete 7 days streak. That means you'll be on the app for 7 days. If you have done that, you click on it. If you have not done that, you wait until you have 7 days. Then maybe you have reached level 10, you need to claim level 10, you click on it, and on that way. So the ones you are not suited for, you leave it out. And the one you are suited for, you do that. So that is about the end. So after you have left the end, then let me move to where is the next one, which shows the friends or your referrals. So that is showing 3 people or so drawn on it after the home, after the dollar sign, after the SEASEND sign in the middle, Then you have the referral. So this shows your contact and your team. Now, your team, it refers to the person who referred you, and then the people that you referred. Those are people that form your team. So you can allow contacts from your phone to be able to see you if they are on SEASEND, and you may not allow. That depends on you. After this, we now go to the last page, which is your home or your personal page. The personal page shows your name. You are at liberty to add a picture of yourself, or you may not. Personally, I added a picture of myself, and my global rank is 263,083. My referral, I have one around level 6. Then C-Sender early encrypting adapter. Then my badges, security advocate, encrypting engineer. All these are part of the things that I did in the task section. At this page also, you can invite friends. Then your earning calculator is shown there, and many other things are shown. So all these things are the things that make up the CSAN. So when you've done all the tasks in that is in the dollar sign, after then you click the S in between the home page, a dollar sign, and then the friends, and then the last, which is your personal page. In the middle, you have the S. S stand for C sand. So yeah, SEASEND. That's the S. So you click the S when it's showing red. That means you have started mining. So when you click it, it will keep on mining by itself and doing its work. So you only come back after 24 hours to click on it again and to start mining again. So every 24 hours, you come and click on the S and you keep on mining. After 24 hours, you don't click on it, it turn red. If you click on it, it will turn green, and then mining will continue. So from time to time, you go and press the dollar sign beside the S after the home page and check if there are new tasks that you can do. If there is no new task, then you just leave it and let it mine for 24 hours, and then you click it again. And that is just all you'll be doing. Every 24 hours, you keep clicking it and keep clicking it, and then that is how you keep making your money, and it keeps adding up. Then when you do the allocation, you get a good one, and then you move up from there. So this is Dr. Olumega TV. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. So this SEASEND is another one that you can do. Go ahead and click the link in the description section of this video, and also I've pinned the link to the comment section of this video so that you can join using my referral link. Now I have a group on WhatsApp where I provide update on crypto airdrop from time to time. If you like me to add you to that group, you can go ahead and send me a message on WhatsApp to add you to that group. My phone number is 08036910988. By the time I see your message requesting that you want to join the crypto update update of airdrop on crypto group, I'm going to add you, and then everything we are doing on the group, every information we are sharing, you can get to know. Like this CSAND, I've started it for some time now, but this is the first time I'm making the video to ask people to join. So, but in the group, they have joined some time ago. So, this is Dr. Olumega TV again. If you have questions, comments, or any other thing you want to chat with me, you can chat with me in the comment section. And if it's personal, you can send a WhatsApp message to me, and I'll be glad to respond. So, crypto airdrop is real, and the economic realities in the world today shows that we all need extra sources of income. So I'm going to talk to you in the next video. This video popping up by the side from my channel, you need to go and see that video now. It's going to help you. I have other videos on my channel and many playlists. Check them out, and I'm certain you'll be glad you did. I will talk to you in the next one. Until then,